Okay. Is it now audible? Okay. And slides are visible to all. So we are starting. Next algorithm, DIT. We have studied. Now DIF, FFT, decimation in frequency FFT algorithm. FFTs are the fast Fourier transforms. There are so many benefits, advantages over DFT, and we have seen them very easily. We have simplified numericals also. Now, what do you mean by decimation in frequency? That means at the input side, we are dividing the sequence. We are decimating the steps into frequency domain, in frequency domain. So decimation is in frequency is an alternate way of developing the FFT algorithm. First way we have seen, we are having two ways. Either we can divide the inputs in evens and odd, or we can place the inputs in sequence. From x0 to x7 for 8 point, for a 4 point FFT, x0 to x3 we can put. Otherwise, we can put x 0 to x7 for 8 point, for 16 point FFT we can put in serially x0 x1 till x15. Okay, other way is to first divide them into evens and odds. For 8.4 even, 4 odd. For 16.8 even, 8 odd. Depending on those states, how many point DFT is there, we will decide the number of stages required to simplify the FFT. So decimation will start for 8.3 states. For 16.4 states, you will require 4 stages to simplify the FFT. It is different from decimation in time in its development, although it leads to a very similar structure. So here also we will use the butterfly diagram, but little bit change is there in that. So decimation in frequency. Consider the original DFT equation. We all know the original DFT equation is again lights went. Oh my god. So consider the original DFT equation. Separate the first half and second half of the time samples. First half and second half we have divided over here. N by 2, half half हो जाएगा तुम्हारा samples. N by 2 minus 1, N minus 1. So we have divided this sample point. Note that these are not N by 2 point DFTs. This equations just simplification of the original DFT equation. Okay. It is not N by 2 DFT. So x of k equation, you can write it in your copy, this equation. Write in your copy. Finished? Why Jaya is absent? Komal, Nikhil, Priyanka. Komal has attended very less classes. Please inform her to attend classes regularly. Okay. So now this is the final equation. X of k equals to x of n plus minus 1 to the power k, x of small n plus n by 2, half terms and half terms divided, Widler factor wn to the power nk. For k even, let k is equal to 2r. This k index is 2r. We are substituting it over here and we will get this equation. For k odd, even and odd, k is equal to 2r plus 1. Again we got the equation. These expressions are the n by 2 point DFTs. The previous equation was not n by 2 DFT, that was total DFT. Here we have splitted for even and odd. So we got here n by 2 point DFTs. So these are the two equations for even and odd. X of n plus x of n plus n by 2, x of n minus x of n plus n by 2. See, this equation is an overall equation. Just we have simplified first half and second half. Okay, and then we are splitting it into even and odd. So now second stage we got by splitting the halves of your FFT decimation. Now decimation in frequency FFT algorithm. In sequence, all the input sequences you have to mark. So it is exactly reverse of decimation in time. Decimation in time, we had this as inputs. You can see x0, x2. Bit reverse order was input and output was in sequence. Here our input is in sequence and first you have to divide them into half. So first stage we have just divided into two sections, n by 2 point DFT, n by 2 point DFT. So all four are merged, first four lines and last four lines. Clear? N by 2 point DFT. Now this is an 8 point FFT. So first four are divided, then next two will be divided and you will get individual outputs. Here you can draw this diagram, decimation frequency FFT algorithm. Draw this DIF FFT diagram. See, generally students get confused in DIF and DIT. So once you will draw, you will become very much confident. Finished. Finished. बहुत मुश्किल हो रही है सर क्लास लेने में। क्या करें हम, लाइट फ्लक्चुएट करते हैं, हमारे यहाँ तो बैकअप ही नहीं है, पूरा को पूरा सेटअप बंद हो जाता है। Okay, complete it. So next diagram, DIF FFT. Draw this. This is again decimated in next state. So we are having three stages. First combine four, then we combine two, then single lines. So draw this next diagram. Is it over? Finished? So now you will come to know where we have to draw this Wn in the last 4 lines. Clear? Then leaving two lines, you have to draw Wn0 and Wn2. Finish? Should we move ahead? Okay. Why you are so late, Priyanka? So now this is replacing all the n by 4 point DFTs. FFT is drawn by decimating DFTs. So we had 3 stages, first n by 4, then n by 2. And we have replaced all the n by 2 point DFTs by butterfly diagrams. So this is my overall butterfly diagram for DIF FFT. Okay. Should I explain this? You need the explanation for this, okay? So what we are doing in this? Decimation in frequency, DIF, FFTs. What we did in DIT? In DIT algorithm, decomposes the DFT by sequentially splitting input samples x of n in the time domain into sets of smaller and smaller subsequences and then forms a weighted combination of the DFTs of these subsequences. But DIF FFT decomposes, this is DIF, decimation in frequency, decomposes the DFT by recursively splitting the sequence elements x of k in the frequency domain into sets of smaller and smaller subsequences. Here we are splitting these DFTs in frequency domain. Okay. To derive the decimation in frequency FFT algorithm for capital N, a power of 2, the input sequence xn is divided into first half and last half of the points as discussed. We discussed that we have divided, then we have subdivided into evens and odds, and then finally we replaced all the n by 2 point DFTs by butterfly diagram, and finally we generated a overall butterfly diagram for DIF FFT algorithm. Now you have to simplify one example. Just some basic important points are there. To obtain flow graph transposes, reverse direction of flow graph arrows, interchange inputs and outputs. DIF FFT is a transpose of DIT FFT. Got this point? I just told you it's exactly the reverse process we are following. So DIF FFT is a transpose of the DIT FFT. So just we have to reverse the all diagram. ओवरऑल डायग्राम। एंड रिवर्स करने के बाद हमें क्या करना है, इनपुट्स एंड आउटपुट्स इंटरचेंज करने हैं। DIT बटरफ्लाई डायग्राम एंड DIF बटरफ्लाई डायग्राम। DIT and DIF. So this is a comparison between DIF FFT and DIT FFT. Comparing DIT and DIF structure. See, you can see it very easily. It's visible to all. This is my DIT structure and this is DIF structure. Whatever generated in at the output of DIT will act as input to DIF. Okay, will act as input to DIF. You can see it, you can analyze, you can visualize it very clearly. And how we are moving here, all the twiddler factors will be acting at the input side. See, WN0, WN0. Okay, and here what is happening, all the twiddler factors are at the output stage of decimation. Getting that means what you have to do while starting drawing the diagram in DIF, from input line also only you have to make the interconnections. After finishing this interconnection, put the arrows in between the next stage and the previous stage and write W's with the factors. Here what you have to do before starting input signals, you have to mention all the Twiddler factors. First alternate, then leave 2 lines, then leave 4 lines. Here leave 4 lines opposite of that. Here all the Twiddler factors are marked at the input side. Here all the Twiddler factors are marked at the output side. You can see. Any doubt you want to ask? Generally what happens, student commits mistakes while drawing this structure. They got confused and they draw it very wrong. Just one wrong thing will lead to all the answers wrong. So your basics should be clear. What is the basic difference between DIT and DIF and how you have to draw the structures. So this always you have to remember, DIT and DIF, what are the transactions, and DIT, DIF FFT is a transpose of the DIT FFT. See, I can give you MCQs also, so you should remember these important points. Alternate forms for this are similar to those of DIT FFTs. DIF structure with input natural, output bit reversed. Okay, this is the overall structure. So now write down one numerical. Given x of n, I'm telling you the values. I'm telling you the values given. X of n, put the brackets. This is my x of n given to you. Find x of k. Find x of k using DIF FFT. Using DIF FFT. So start simplifying. So how you will start? What is the first step? It depends on you. You can select your first step. So what you will prefer? Okay. Aditi said Fiddler factor. Others, they want to follow the same process. They can. Just 5 minutes more for this class. And see, have you started working on MATLAB? Okay, Amisha saying first draw the diagram. So now you are very much familiar. You can decide your steps. Today's present students are Aditi, Akshat, Amisha, Avantika, Charu, Pranjali, Pratibha, Ritika, Sakshi, Shivani, Shubham. Okay, start simplifying. And please start using MATLAB. I have shared all the data on your Google Classroom. Start working on that. Start installing MATLAB, because I will share my screen and I will explain you the experiments and you have to perform them by your own. And I have shared manual also. Have you saw that manual? Yes, students. Manual देखा बेटा? See, it takes lot of time for us to prepare the manuals and all. Okay, so first experiment is very easy. Generation of continuous and discrete signals using MATLAB. So we have to write the code for that. For that, you should know basic MATLAB. You can start installing MATLAB because they are providing you 1 month free installation. So please today spend some time for MATLAB. And for HFSS software, I will share you the link. YouTube videos are there. So you have to go through them. HFSS tutorials you have to see for RFS lab. I will share the manual also for that, so you can start writing the theory parts. So have you started finding out Twiddler factor? या कुछ बच्चों ने lines बना ली है, draw कर लिया butterfly diagram? Okay, Twiddler factor आ गए सारे? Write down in the chat box Twiddler factor. We'll continue in the next class because today you are having continuous classes. Same as last. 1 by root 2 minus j 1 by root 2. Then minus j. First one है. Second is second Rudler factor. Third yes. If you students are facing problem in simplifying through calculator, so please ask your friends. It's not that easy. If somebody is having problem, they can discuss it with your friends. How to use calculators to convert from degree to radians. Yes, right. Yes. Fourth one is right. J आ जाएगा सिर्फ. Okay. Yes. And the third one is minus j. Okay. So in next class, be ready with your answers. We will continue one more numerical and then we will switch over to next unit. So any doubt you want to ask? All of you, please try this numerical. Okay, so we will stop our class here only. Goodbye, students. And if you want have any doubt, anyone, Priyanka, are you getting? Yes, Priyanka. Okay, you simplified all the numericals. Pratibha, okay. Radix 2 is the base, binary 0, 1. And Shubham, Ritika. So this whole unit focused on DFT and FFT. And generally numericals are asked in this. And you should know how to use calculator very properly. Because calculator की speed रही तो तुम्हारा numerical बहुत फटाफट simplify हो जाएगा. Otherwise, it can create problem to you. So do make practice. And DFT is a little bit complicated. Everywhere you need to calculate the values. So स्टार्ट सिंप्लीफाइंग. जिन्होंने पहले अटेंड नहीं किए क्लासेस, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो तो मेरे सारे वीडियोस आप देख सकते हो. एंड प्लीज एटलीस्ट वंस यू गो थ्रू द वीडियोस इट विल क्लियर योर all the doubts. And maximum notes I have shared, whatever I can provide you. Books I have shared. For some doubts you can go through the books also. So okay, goodbye students.